Now, Lalu Prasad Yadav is supporting Mamta Banerjee, Sharad Pawar is supporting Mamta Banerjee, right? YSRCP is also joining the chorus to hand over the Indie Bloc leadership to Mamta Banerjee. Supriya Sule is supporting Mamta Banerjee.
Shiv Sena.
Uddhav Sena is also supporting Mamta Banerjee.
Aam Aadmi Party.
Aam Aadmi Party will support Mamta Banerjee. Yes, that has also been said, made clear. So, except DMK. DMK is still with Congress. So, situation is... But RP Singh, since you are jumping into this, आपसे क्या मतलब है? Is it a...
Even NC, National Conference.
Yeah,
they are in alliance with National Conference in Jammu Kashmir.
So, Kamru, see, Mamta Banerjee is a senior politician. I don't agree with her views, or the way she runs Bengal. But electorally, she is successful. And now every day, more parties are supporting Mamta Banerjee. Should it not be graceful? How can you not give her a chance?
Can I add a word to that?
Arnav, did we ever say that we are leading the India bloc? We are providing a leadership? Did anybody in the Congress party say that Rahul Gandhi is the leader of the India alliance? I doubt. If you say so, that means it must be a cooked up story from some of your undefined sources that you have seen out here. Or might be some story planted out by my dear friend from the BJP out here. We never said that we are the undisputed leader of the India alliance. It's a convener. Khargeji is there. If all the regional parties and the Congress party sit together and decide that, okay, fine, now the convener will be Mamta Banerjee, let her be. We don't have any problem with that. It's not a question of one-upmanship out
Even here. Akhilesh is supporting Mamta Banerjee.
So what? Akhilesh may support, Lalu Yadav may support Mamta Banerjee. We also support Mamta Banerjee at the national level. Does that mean that Rahul Gandhi is not fit to be the next Prime Minister of India?
There must be some reason. See, there can only be a combination of circumstances. The two things are, one, the Congress party. I think the Congress party's poor performance in elections, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra. And
no, your yardstick is different. Because my yardstick is different. When you calculate the success of the Congress party, from a party which was supposed to get 400 plus seats, Congress party and all its allies in the India alliance managed to keep the BJP in 240 up to 240.
Don't try and take credit for your allies too much. You see, the view is gaining ground. Let me get in Shubhankar, one second. Shubhankar, the view is gaining ground. In fact, what I find surprising is the number of parties. First, when Kalyan Banerjee was speaking, I thought he's speaking individually. It's off the record statement. Now I find so many parties are joining what Kalyan Banerjee is asking for. And Kalyan Banerjee is speaking more and more openly, right? And all parties are also supporting the TMC. So what's the next move? What should happen next in your view?
See, as far as my knowledge goes, there is no election going on between Mamta Banerjee and Rahul Gandhi. There is no election going on. So, frankly speaking, I don't think that there is any such kind of condition has come up where the leadership of Rahul Gandhi is being threatened. There was just one question in a press conference where it came up, and Mamta Banerjee did come up with her own ideas that...
No. It's not just one statement. There is a sustained campaign in Delhi.
Just a second. Now, when you talk about Kalyan Banerjee, you talk about Kirti Azad. See, even if you ask me,
I'm talking about Lalu Prasad. I'm talking about Sharad Pawar. They are not insignificant leaders.
Now you see, those are all opinions. You know, an opinion is being conducted from the media.
I'm talking about Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav.
The India bloc.
Okay, so
when such thing comes up, of course. See, when the question comes to whether Mamta Banerjee has that capacity, is capable of leading India bloc or not, everyone is saying yes, she does, she can, she is. And in fact, Mamata Banerjee has also shown the willingness.
Rahul won't let her.
Opportunity is given.
Rahul won't let her.
Take
Rahul won't let her.
That is one thing she has been taking.
But Rahul won't let her.
No,
Do you think Rahul?
Arnab, let
Rahul
me
won't?
correct you. 10 seconds I will take.
There is nothing called Rahul not letting her.
If
There
Mr.
is no
Banerjee will permit
comparison
me,
of
just 10
leadership
seconds
in
I will
between,
take to
Arnab.
correct you,
But
Arnab,
yes, at
out
the
here.
same point of time,
One thing you must
now
understand,
time has
two
come up.
important blocks of the alliance in India is the NDA bloc and the UPA bloc or the India Alliance bloc. One bloc that we identify ourselves is the India Alliance. We are a symbiotic alliance, not like the parasitoid alliance like the BJP has cobbled up. Regional parties like the YSRCP, like the Biju Janata Dal or the Shiv Sena or the other parties like the Akali
Has
Dal
any
or the
parasite,
PDP.
Kamru, has
I'm not talking about the parasite. I'm
any
talking
parasite
about the
ever admitted
parasitoid.
that it's a parasite? Do you
Of
know
course,
any
you can see
parasite
the
that has
results
admitted
out
it's a
here.
parasite?
The Biju
Do
Janata
parasites
Dal-
ever admit they are parasites?
No, parasite has turned into parasitoid as of now. The BJP has become a parasitoid in the country. Whichever party it aligns with, let's say the JJP,
Now,
let's
Tariq-
say the BJD.
See,
let's say the
I didn't
YSRCP.
start this.
It has gobbled up.
Tariq, let me tell you one minute. I want to go to Tariq. I didn't start this. Nobody started this. We are just watching. Aam Aadmi Party, Bhagwant Mann, Arvind Kejriwal, No Alliance, right? And then Trinamool Congress, right? And then Sharad Pawar, Lalu Prasad, Akhilesh, Samajwadi Party, Sanjay Raut, Udhav Party, JMM, all supporting Mamata Banerjee. Now, obviously, there is a churn. Aapko agar, if you want to pretend you can't see, you want to pretend to be blind, you can be blind. These people are working
Can I
together.
make
They
a
are fed
small
up.
point here?
And I'd like to get Tariq Lari on this. Tariq, so what's the next move? Is this just like time pass, or is this something more serious than that?
नो वन नोज जैसा मीटिंग तो होने दीजिए तब तो पता चलेगा अभी तो यहाँ एक प्रेस वो हुआ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई उसमें ममता जी ने सिर्फ ये कहा कि अगर वो चाहेंगे तो मैं करूंगी लेकिन अगर करूंगी भी तो मैं कलकत्ता से करूंगी उन्होंने ये कहा ये तो उन्होंने कहा ही नहीं कि आई वांट टू बिकम द लीडर और किसी ने भी ये नहीं कहा कि ममता बनर्जी ही अब लीडर है अब ये चीज तय होगी इट विल गो इन अ मीटिंग में पूरा तय करेगा इंडिया ब्लॉक इज इंटैक्ट इंडिया ब्लॉक अपना तय करेगा मीटिंग करेगा आप उसको हुआ बना रहे हैं ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है भाई ठीक है एक ने कहा है एक ने बात हुई है उन्होंने कहा कि अगर चाहेंगे तो मेरे पास उनका पूरा बयान पड़ा है उन्होंने ये कहीं नहीं कहा कि मैं बनूंगी नहीं कहा और किसी पार्टी ने नहीं कहा कि नहीं ये बनेंगी सबने कहा अगर होगा
आपको हिंदी तो समझ आती है लालू प्रसाद जी ने हिंदी में कहा कि ममता को नेतृत्व दे देना चाहिए आप बात समझ रहे हैं आप फोन क्या देख रहे हैं मेरी बात समझने की कोई लालू प्रसाद जी ने कहा ममता बनर्जी को नेतृत्व दे देना
मैं वही पढ़ रहा हूं
पढ़िए
नहीं हाँ उन्होंने ये कहा है कि मेरी ओपिनियन है कि दे देना चाहिए आदमी अपनी ओपिनियन भी ना दे उनकी ओपिनियन थी उन्होंने ओपिनियन दे दी सबकी ओपिनियन जो होगी
अच्छा प्रोफेसर अनवर पाशा आरजेडी के प्रवक्ता है प्रोफेसर अनवर पाशा लालू प्रसाद जी की ओपिनियन ऐसी क्यों है कि ममता बनर्जी को नेतृत्व दे देना चाहिए उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि कांग्रेस के कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा काफी साफ बात कही है लालू जी ने
अर्नब जी आई थिंक अर्नब जी you are unnecessarily trying to create a rift within the NDA bloc and you will not succeed. We all are united. What our leader has said that if Mamata Banerjee is willing, she has offered herself, she has offered herself, she has said that if I'm giving the opportunity, I'm willing to lead. There is nothing wrong in it. We need a convener. At this stage, we need a convener for the NDA. For the India Alliance, we need a convener. Till now, there was not a convener. Rahul Gandhi is not a convener of India Alliance. Rahul Gandhi is not a chairman of the India Alliance. So the question of not supporting Rahul Gandhi doesn't arise. Now the Mamata ji has expressed her willingness. If the collective decision is taken by the India bloc, she will lead it. There is nothing wrong in it. Our leader Shri Lalu Prasad Yadav ji has said the same thing. Because she is willing, so let her lead. What is the problem in it? This is not no confidence against any leader. We are all united. We are all united. There is no problem at all. Be it Shri Mamata Banerjee ji, or be it Rahul Gandhi ji, or be it any other leader. There is no problem at all. Let there be a full-time.
No, but why is all this happening? See, I'm only 1 minute. Professor,
what is wrong in it?
Very good. But the question is, why is all this happening? See, obviously there is something going on inside. What is going on inside? Can you tell me? Like, what is this churn that's going on inside? Why are people talking about this? Why is this a subject of conversation that there should be a different leader? Mamata Banerjee should be a leader.
Media is talking. Media is creating.
Lalu Prasad is, so media is telling Lalu Prasad is responsible. Sharad Pawar is saying this for the media.
This is
because of media. All India Alliance leaders are listening to the media.
And we have
really appreciate Arnav, the clear focus and agenda that you have.
Arnav, one thing you tell me.
You have brought BJP from 400 to 40.
But it is I guess.
Our united
and the issues at the
and
central
will do
level
it
to
in
be
future
different.
as well.
In fact, I'll tell you, there is one party. There is one party that wants Rahul Gandhi to remain as the leader of the India Alliance.
Never.
More than the Congress, and that is the BJP. Throughout, you saw Giriraj Singh's bite, RP Singh.
Rahul Gandhi is the leader of parliament.
No, he's the leader of the India Alliance.
He is leader of opposition in parliament.
Leader of the opposition in the parliament.
Is he not the leader of the India Alliance?
His leader is
So who is the leader of the India Alliance?
He is not. No one is the leader in
Mallikarjun Kharge ji is the
That will
convener
be
now.
decided. Meeting तो होने दीजिए. No one is the convener of India bloc. अभी तक कोई भी कन्वीनर नहीं इंडिया ब्लॉक का.
Yeah, we'll decide.
वो मीटिंग होने दीजिए. आप कहां से इसमें चक्कर में पड़ रहे हैं? कहां पड़े हो चक्कर में?
मुझे तो आप लोगों को देख के बुरा लग रहा है कि हालत क्या है. आप लोगों ने अपने आप को आप लोगों ने अपने आप को ऐसी राजनीतिक जलेबी आपने बनाई है अपनी. आपने ऐसी राजनीतिक जलेबी बनाई है.
जी आपको
It's a joke. मजाक हो गया इंडिया लाइन.
don't like.
India Alliance has become a mazak.
You are the joke.
Like Bhagwant Mann says, एक थी कांग्रेस. भगवंत मान says एक थी कांग्रेस
का काम कर रहे हैं. आज किसी को कपिल शर्मा शो देखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
तारीख देखो, लालू प्रसाद यादव. It is so funny. One minute. Tariq, it is so funny. You are saying today that it is because of us that Lalu Prasad, Sharad Pawar
right now
are all demanding a change in the leadership of the India Alliance because of Republic.
We never claimed the
आपका क्या हो गया?
Who said so?
No one is demanding anything. No one is demanding anything. Please correct yourself. No one is demanding.
There is apparently
You all are creating a demand.
there is apparently a Samajwadi Party leader who said that Rahul Gandhi is a 55-year-old man-child. What action did you take against the Samajwadi Party leader who called Rahul Gandhi a 55-year-old man-child?
No, you called it.
What action did you take?
All the issues over. That now we are left to decide that who leads the India Alliance.
Can you tell me that?
What is the net result?
Who was that person? Can you tell me that?
The opposition in India as of now. You are all paranoid of Rahul Gandhi.
Who was from Samajwadi who said this type of thing for Rahul Gandhi?
Will be going out here and there.
आप बताइए साहब, मैंने तो सुना नहीं अभी तक.
आपको तो कुछ आप हर चीज पे डिनायल करते रहते हैं. You know. Okay, so tell me one thing, Tariq, listen. 1 minute. Suppose in the next 3 to 4 months. Suppose in the next 3 to 4 months there's a change of leadership in the India Alliance. Will you then say that we said it?
झूठ ना फैलाइए. पहली बात है, समाजवादी पार्टी का उस लीडर का नाम लीजिए जिसने इस तरह का कमेंट किया राहुल गांधी जी पर. पहले नाम लीजिए आप.
आपके पार्टी के हर दूसरे दिन नेता कमेंट करते रहते हैं राहुल गांधी पर. आप समझने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते? आपको जब मैंने कहा था कि आपके पार्टी के एक नेता पर बलात्कार का आरोप है अयोध्या में, आपने कहा कि कोई ऐसा नेता समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता नहीं है. आपने मुझे बोला था आप ही वो तारिक लारी, आपने बोला था, आपने कहा था एट दैट टाइम देयर इज नो लीडर ऑफ समाजवादी पार्टी, डिसोसिएटेड योरसेल्फ, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा,
झूठ
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा तारिक लारी,
नाम लीजिए उस आदमी
ऐसे नहीं
का।
चलेगा।
आपका झूठ पकड़ा गया।
अगर आपने एप्लीकेशन दी है कांग्रेस पार्टी में मेंबरशिप के लिए तो मैं क्या करूं?
झूठ बोलना।
मे बी यू हैव अप्लाइड फॉर मेंबरशिप इन द कांग्रेस पार्टी।
You are a liar.
You can call me anything. Why did Lalu Prasad ask for Mamata Banerjee to be made the leader?
Accept that.
Are you calling Lalu Prasad a liar?
Accept that. आपने अभी
You're calling Lalu Prasad and Sharad Pawar liars.
ऐसा डिबेट नहीं होगी।
Why are you calling
उस
them
आदमी
liars?
का नाम लीजिए।
नहीं नहीं, आप ऐसे क्यों?
पहले उस आदमी का नाम
Why are you
लीजिए,
calling
जो
Lalu
समाजवादी
Prasad a
का-
liar?
जो समाजवादी का लीडर है उसका नाम लीजिए।
Why did you call Lalu Prasad a liar?
पहले नाम लीजिए उस समाजवादी का लीडर
Don't change the subject.
मैंने तो कहा
Don't change the subject.
समाजवादी का
Subject
लीडर
change करके कुछ नहीं
You
होने
are a
वाला।
liar, Arnab.
Now,
You are a
now,
liar.
if
Don't
there is
change
a-
the
if
subject.
there
I
is-
want the name of that guy.
What is wrong
I
if
want
there's a
the bloody
leadership
name of
change in
that
the
guy.
India Alliance?
No, this will not continue like that. You are a liar. Tell me the name. Tell me the name of that person.
I think Tariq, you're getting very worked up today.
Otherwise,
Calm down, calm down.
This
Calm
is
down.
not going to continue.
Calm down, calm down. Calm down.
Oh, calming down.
Calm down,
Not this
calm
time.
down. What is this?
Not this time.
You're getting so worked
You
up.
have to take the name.
Calm down.
No, you have to take the name.
Calm down, calm down.
You have to take
You
the
see,
name of that person.
why, what is going on? The
Please
Congress
take
could
the-
only get 6 seats
नाम
in
लीजिए,
Jammu and
झूठ ना
Kashmir.
बोलिए।
How many seats did the Congress get in Jammu and Kashmir?
समझ गए, झूठ बोला आपने।
नहीं,
आप एक नंबर के झूठे
अरे
हैं।
भाई, you know, I'll tell you.
भारतीय झूठी पार्टी के आप सबसे बड़े लीडर हैं
अभी
इस समय।
देखिए, अभी देखिए, मैं
आप भारतीय झूठी पार्टी के
Tariq Lari, you're getting worked up. देखिए, this is your internal matter. I'm telling RP Singh now, RP, what is your interest in this?
आपने नेशनल चैनल पे नाम लिया है।
जो भी हो रहा है आपके पार्टी में, there is no problem.
समाजवादी पार्टी के लीडर ने राहुल जी के लिए अब शब्द
आपके पार्टी में एक नेता है, उनका नाम है आईपी सिंह। आईपी सिंह,
आपने समाजवादी का नाम
आईपी सिंह आपके पार्टी के नेता है। आपने आईपी सिंह के खिलाफ, आईपी से अभी बोल दिया ना, आप चुप रहिए। एक बार बोल दिया, 2 बार बोलूंगा तो चुप रहेंगे, 3 बार बोलूंगा तो चुप रहेंगे। बोल दिया, इतना बोल रहे थे, उल्टा बोल दिया आपको मैंने।
मैं अभी
I have now shut you up.
अभी मैं खोल रहा
I have shut you up.
मैं अभी
I have shut you up. He's going to call IP Singh.
आई एम गोइंग टू लुक आफ्टर दैट। ये कैसे
He's
हुआ
going
है?
to call IP
क्या
Singh.
कहा है? ना ना अभी
He's going to call IP Singh now.
कोई बात नहीं
The man is totally desperate. तारिक लारी, आप क्या खा के आए मेरे प्रोग्राम में आज?
बिकॉज यू आर अ लायर।
No, no.
You are a liar.
It's been reported everywhere.
और आपकी नेशनल
Is IP Singh a leader of your party?
You are a liar.
Why are you getting worked
You are a
up?
liar.
Why are you getting worked up? Relax.
Yes, he is the leader of the party.
Then?
Coming from BJP, he is the leader of the party. He was a spokesperson of a party, but he never said it like this.
What did he say?
Never said anything like this.
What did he
So
say?
please correct yourself. and-
What did he say?
Where he said it?
What did he
Where
say?
he said it?
What did he say? What did he say, Baba? Why don't you? Why you worked up?
अरे आप बताएंगे ना कि क्या
आपके पार्टी के
बताइए ना क्या
Can I make a point, Arnab, please?
today you're beaten badly, Tariq. Don't get worked up. RP wants to say something to you. RP.
No, you are getting beaten. आज आपका पता चला आप बहुत बड़े झूठे हैं।
अरे उंगली नीचे।
आज पता चला, आज आपकी जनता, आपके श्रोता भी देख
अरे
रहे हैं
मेरे श्रोता
कि
तो
आज
मेरे को
आपका
देख रहे हैं, देखते आ रहे
उन्होंने नाम
हैं।
दिया,
Your party
आप
leader
कहाँ से ऊँचा सोचा
is
मच्छी लगोगे,
mocking
हम
Rahul
आपके
Gandhi.
और मुझे भी
आप-
देख-
You are not taking any
आप-
action against your party leader.
RP Singh का।
RP Singh now. RP.
चैनल पे देखते हैं, मुझे 10 चैनल पे
RP.
आप एक ही चैनल पर बैठते हैं,
अच्छा,
मुझे 10
सुनिए।
चैनल पर रोज देखते हैं।
अरे सुनिए ना, सुना रहा हूं आपका, सुन लीजिए। ये सुनिए क्या कह रहे हैं।
Except Bengal, what is the strike rate of TMC? We should also tell what happened in Goa, what happened in Tripura, what happened in Meghalaya, what happened in Assam, what happened in Arunachal, what happened in Nagaland, what happened in all other states. What is the strike rate? These are all things which should not be discussed in media. But Mr. KP has
Manikam Tagore
बिल्कुल सही
is
बोला।
challenging Mamata Banerjee,
बिल्कुल सही
saying
बोला।
that she has a very poor
This
strike
should not be
rate
discussed.
and she doesn't deserve
Yeah,
to be
nine
leader
o'clock.
of the
What did you do?
India Alliance
ने कहा
What did you do to YSR?
आईपी सिंह के
How
जवाब
did you
देने
break
को
the
तैयार
Maharashtra
बैठा हूं।
parties?
आईपी सिंह ने कहा राहुल गांधी पे कोई कमेंट किया, मुझे वो दिखाइए, वो
आपका
सुनाइए।
पर्दा खोल दिया हमने।
आईपी सिंह का कमेंट सुनाइए, पर फालतू के कमेंट नहीं सुनता।
फालतू मत बोलिए।
आवाज ही नहीं है।
मलकम टैगोर कांग्रेस के सांसद है, लीडर है, वो कह रहे हैं कि ममता बनर्जी क्या बेचती है। वो कह रहे हैं ममता बनर्जी क्या बेचती है।
यहाँ मेरा और अर्नब का बात है, यहाँ मेरा और अर्नब का
आपकी बात से
आपके साथ तो मैं डिबेट भी नहीं कर रहा।
हमारी गलती थोड़ा
बताइए अर्नब भाई।
मैं तो आपके साथ डिबेट भी नहीं कर रहा। आपके पार्टी के नेता राहुल गांधी का मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं और आप गुस्सा हो रहे हैं।
बयान दिखाइए।
अरे मजाक उड़ा दिया ना,
बयान दिखाइए।
नाम बता दिया, आप बोल रहे हैं बयान दिखाइए। आपको अगर कुछ पता नहीं है इसमें आपका अज्ञान होना आपका प्रॉब्लम है। यू आर एन अज्ञान पर्सन, आपको खबर नहीं है। एनीवे आई गो बैक टू द सब्जेक्ट नाउ। शुभांकर एंड अनवर पाशा, काम डाउन यार। शुभांकर एंड अनवर पाशा, अरे काम डाउन। आपने तो, आपकी पार्टी तो एमबीए से निकल गई। क्यों निकल गई? एमबीए से क्यों निकल गई? आपकी पार्टी एमबीए से क्यों निकल गई महाराष्ट्र में? अरे बताइए ना, बताइए ना, एमबीए से क्यों निकल गई? क्योंकि जब वहां पे जब उद्धव ठाकरे के नेता ने कहा, अच्छा मेरी बात सुनिए, उद्धव ठाकरे के नेता ने कहा कि बाबरी मस्जिद का डेमोलिशन जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, और आपके पार्टी के उद्धव सेना के नेता ने क्या कहा बाबरी मस्जिद के डेमोलिशन के बारे में? क्या कहा? क्या बोला? जवाब दीजिए, क्या बोला? मिलिंद नार्वेकर ने क्या कहा?
बाबरी मस्जिद गई चूल्हे भाड़ में।
ओह माय गॉड, कैसी लैंग्वेज है, कैसी लैंग्वेज है। लैंग्वेज देखिए इनकी। अभी देखो कमरू चौधरी चुप रहेंगे। ये लेकिए लैंग्वेज। अभी सुनिए प्रोफेसर अनवर पाशा, इनकी बात सुनिए। बात करने का तरीका पता नहीं, he doesn't know how to talk। बात करने का तरीका पता नहीं, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं किसी तरह की भाषा। और प्रोफेसर अनवर पाशा सुन रहे इस भाषा को, कमरू सुन रहे इस भाषा को, सुना अपने भाषा को। रोकिए इनको, रोकिए। ये अपने आप के ये बेकाबू हो के, ये बेकाबू है। ही इज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, ही इज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल टुडे,
आज की डेट में नहीं है।
आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल।
आज बाबरी मस्जिद नाम की कोई मस्जिद नहीं है।
ही इज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल। अनवर पाशा इनको रोकिए, स्टॉप हिम, ही इज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, स्टॉप हिम। रोकिए इनको, रोकिए, आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो चुके हैं। रोकिए इनको, रोका जाए इनको।
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ
अनवर पाशा, स्टॉप हिम, स्टॉप हिम।
आपके ऊपर मानहानि का मुकदमा होगा। आईपी सिंह ने राहुल गांधी का
डिबेट। अरे मुझे जो मैंने जो मीडिया में पढ़ा बोला, सारे मीडिया में जो लिखा था,
गलती आपने की है।
कोई गलती नहीं है,
गलती आपने की।
अरे रिलैक्स यार, रिलैक्स। पूरे मीडिया में रिपोर्ट हो चुका है। अगर आईपी सिंह बोलेंगे मैंने नहीं बोला, मैं वो भी कैरी कर दूंगा, मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मेरी बात सुनिए, ज्यादा पर्सनल होने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। मैंने ये कहा,
ये बता दीजिए।
अरे रिलैक्स यार,
नहीं ना,
रिलैक्स।
पर्सल हो चुका है।
अरे एमबीए से निकल क्यों गए?
दूंगा, जवाब देते रहिएगा।
जस्ट काम डाउन।
आप फिर आईपी सिंह को कोर्ट में
अभी ये देखिए, गुंडागर्दी टाइप बिहेवियर मेरे प्रोग्राम में मत कीजिए।
फिर अपने इस भाई को जिम्मेदार ना करिए।
नहीं, कोई आप भाई क्या कर रहे हैं? अभी देखिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, ये इंडिया अलायंस में जो भी हो रहा है इसके लिए जिम्मेदार दुनिया नहीं है, आप लोग ही हैं। कमरू चौधरी, व्हाई डोंट यू डिसाइड? आप और तृणमूल डिसाइड कर लीजिए, मामला खत्म, डिसाइड कर लीजिए।
Arnab,
you made it a public spectacle, Kamru.
No. Today's debate on speculative stories is the biggest joke of the day.
Everybody in India is reporting this story. Everybody is doing it speculatively.
No.
Everything is speculative.
Of course it is speculative.
Okay, fine,
because you get some WhatsApp forwards from Amit Malviya and every channel is...
Really, I didn't get a WhatsApp forward from Lalu Prasad. He said it on a camera.
Because you are using the WhatsApp.
They said it on a camera. You guys are a mess.
All other channels.
Please, why did
you are a news reader.
Chalo, I wish you luck. I wish you luck, Kamru. I wish you luck. Whatever happens, we'll see. आगे देखते हैं होता है क्या. I thank you very much, and I wish you luck in everything, including in the Delhi elections. I wish you luck in the Delhi elections also. Baba, I am wishing you luck for the Delhi elections. Please at least say thank you. Say thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you.
My pleasure.
At least in India needs a strong opposition.
I agree.
To get rid of the hegemony of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the RSS. Anybody in the panel deny that? We need a strong
No party should be hegemonistic.
To fix our economy.
I agree with you on that. I agree. Now whoever is going to be our leader in the future, I wish them luck as well. Because the opposition right now needs all the luck it can get. I thank you all for joining me. Ladies and gentlemen, on the other side tonight, the Soros story doesn't stop. It just goes on and on and on and on and on. And for some reason, I believe Rahul Gandhi and George Soros sound so similar, so much like each other. Ever wondered why? When I'm back.
For a quick breather.